the very good hygiene conscious, who keeps his cabins very clean, who keeps his house very clean. No. But when I come on ship, I make sure that my engine room is neat and clean. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di guys. Today's video is very important because over here I am going to talk about engine room rounds. As an engineer, this is the most important part of your life and should be. Because this is where you learn anything and everything. I remember when I was a junior, my chief engineer took me for a round and showed me what needs to be shown, and I still thank him, I still remember him. I have never been that kind of a chief engineer for my junior engineers ever. I have never taken that initiative. The guy who is making my video right now is my junior engineer. He's smiling, thinking, "Ah, sir, kabhi leke nahi gaya round pe." Well, I have never taken Bhattacharya. I know that very well. Well, guys, this is an initiative not just for you guys but also for Bhattacharya, because today is going to know how a round should be taken. That's what it is all about. So guys, right now in engine room I have entered. First thing that I am going to see is कि मेरा कौन सा generator चल रहा है. Generator is running. Okay. Number one generator is running. 360 kilowatt load है. Amperage all normal है. सारे auto में है. Yes. This is first standby. मतलब अगर generator trip होता है तो first standby generator will start. ACB close for the running generator. ACB open for the generators which are not running. This is an alarm which I am not resetting right now. This is 220 volts. I will reset later. Not an issue to be taken care of. Okay, this generator is second standby. Then apart from that, I will be speaking very fast, and this video is going to be fast. Otherwise, it will become a very long and a boring video. Then मैं यहाँ पर आऊँगा. मैं सारे के सारे I am going to see which all pumps are running, which all machines are running, and what is the amperage over here. From the motor load, I can make out कि भैया इसका amperage कितना. Okay, this is at the mark. That means this is running. Second thing that I have to see is, okay, this pump is not running. Is it on standby or not? This lube oil pump is not running. It should be on standby. The lube oil pump number 1 is running. उसका amperage देखूंगा. Vent fan is running. Amperage. Okay, fine. I'll go to the other group starter panel and I'll see over here. Okay, LT pump is running. Amperage is okay. See, water pump number 1 is on standby. It is not running. LT pump not running. Standby. Fine. Main lube oil pump not running. It is on. It is running. So it is not on standby. Running. Amperage is okay. So that is how I get a nutshell key which all machineries are running over here, and fine. Then I come. I met a very big shipping company official and told people have lost the art of taking engine room rounds, and I agree. Well guys, just do not watch this video. You have to learn a lot. If you are a marine engineer, understand with respect to your rank, there are different excellence packages on board ship. Junior engineer excellence package, 4th year excellence package, 3rd year excellence package, 2nd year excellence package, chief year excellence package. These bundle packages can change your life. Use coupon code ENGINE50, get flat 50% off. Invest on this knowledge and become a better engineer and earn respect on ship. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. To the gauge place over here. Right now guys, when I am making this video, I am making especially when the engine is not running, so that when I take a round outside, you can clearly catch what I am talking about. But still I will be telling you when main engine is running, what all to be seen. So over here I will see what is the main engine RPM, how much is air bottle pressure, is there any alarm over here or not. Fine. Then I will see the OMD panel, I will see if there is any alarm or not. No. I will come over, this is the fuel oil module system. I am seeing the fuel oil flow over here, and I am also seeing the temperature, fuel oil temperature, and the viscosity. Normally we maintain 12 to 13 viscosity, that is over here. Fine. I am going to see the main engine RPM, rudder angle indicator over here. When I come over here, I will see all the gauge pressures over here. These are all important pressures related to main engine. Cooling sea water pressure, air bottle pressure, number 2 air bottle pressure, scavenge air pressure, fuel oil inlet pressure, lube oil inlet pressure, jacket water pressure, main engine air cooler, cooling water inlet pressures. Then I will come over and see bunker tank temperatures. What are the bunker tank temperatures over here? Fine. When I come to alarm monitoring system over here guys, the first thing that I have to see is what is the alarm history. कि last आधे घंटे में 1 hour 2 hours throughout the day, what all kind of alarms have come. That gives you an idea about what all works are being carried out in engine room and what all needs to be given attention. Then I will see the list of all active alarms over here. Okay, these are the active alarms and what action needs to be taken. Right now when I talk about here, I know that engine is not ready because I put the starting air valve shut. Anti-fouling alarm is over, aft hull ICCP, forward hull ICCP, because main engine is stopped at port, so we have kept the NGPS and ICCP shut. Accordingly, all the alarms I am going to see. Then I will come over here, I will see the tanks level, okay fine, temperature सब normal है कि नहीं है. Then I will come over here and I will see, okay, all the tanks are full, which all tanks are in use, how much is the temperature, fine. Then I'll go to the generator parameters, see which all generator is running, fresh water pressure, starting air pressure, cylinder exhaust gas turbocharger, inlet temperatures, lube oil pressure, fuel oil pressure. Okay, fine. यहाँ पर सब बराबर दिख रहा है, no problem. Then I'll go to the main engine parameters, see all the main engine parameters over here, and when I find them fine, okay, fine. My step number 2 is done. Now I'll be going down and I'll be taking a round of engine room. Copy it. We'll start from the top. Jai Mata Di. Okay, right now I'm in steering gear room. So I'm assuming that the steering is running, R-shape is running, so first of all I'll come over here. Main thing is when we are taking the route, we need to see if there is any abnormality, any leakage over here. कोई लीकेज को केमिकल ड्रम फट गया है, that needs to be given the first attention immediately. First problem that we find out is immediately when we see a leak over here, sense of seeing, sense of hearing, कोई abnormal sound will give us an idea, sense of smell, कोई लीकेज कहीं पर होगा तो you'll get an idea from the fuel oil smell, diesel oil smell, steam smell, or from smoke you can come to know. So keep your senses available. Don't be lost like me. अदरवाइज हो जाएगी जय माता दी. चलो आ जाओ गाइस. One of the steering gear pumps should be running. So I'll see the pressure gauges over here. Now see, there is a small leakage over here. This needs to be identified attended tomorrow itself. You see, ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पर ऑयल दिख रहा है, दिखाओ जरा. ऐसा कुछ भी, even a small leak is there. Don't ignore it. Look at it as the first shot and rectify it immediately. I'll see all the pumps are running fine. Yes, okay. कोई लीकेज तो नहीं है. Any abnormal sound I hear, that's a problem. Movement बराबर है कि नहीं है? Yes. I'll check the oil level. Okay, fine. The oil level is fine. Okay. I'll check the oil temperature over here in the thermometer. Okay, this is fine. Then if one of the steering motor is running, I will see the amperage over here. If the amperage is okay, fine. Yes, it should be okay. Jai Mata Di, aa jao. I will be looking over here inside. कहीं oil तो नहीं है. ऐसे करके दिखाओ ऊपर से. Down there. So anywhere I should not be finding any places of oil, smell, abnormal sound. If nothing is there, that means my round is taken off. Steering room, Jai Mata Di. I'm in the steering room, guys. So यहाँ पर the second part is कोई loops, oil, drums वगैरह all are kept properly segregated. If it is rolling, nobody should have kept the lube oil drums outside. It should spill, should not be there. Then this is my hypermesh system. It should be remote, not in local. That needs to be seen. The heater needs to be on so that in emergency it should automatically become on. Okay, come. The fire hydrant is kept in normal condition fine. Steering gear में मुझे कहीं पर भी कोई लीकेज नहीं दिख रहा है, कोई abnormality नहीं दिख रही है. All seem to be fine. No oil leakages over here. This is the bin for the hinge pumps. These are the fresh water tanks. इनके gauges, no leaks, levels I have checked already. Fine. Jai Mata Di. Guys, Jai Mata Di. Right now I'm going to take a round of workshop. Then we are going to see the hydropower system, generators, emission plant, and from there tanks. If any leakages is there, so we are going to see that. I might not be able to speak loud. You can just get an idea what I am looking at with the torch over here. When I am taking a round in the over here in the workshop, I have to see that my fitter has ensured that all things are properly segregated, kept in neat and clean conditions. ऐसा नहीं है कि spares लेकर आए, stores लेकर आए, they have kept it over here. Remember, housekeeping on board ship is very important. What you take, you please put it back there. This is what we learn on board ship. ये नहीं कि यहाँ से spanner लिया कहीं और रख दिया, तो अब देख के no, that should not be. That should be taken care of. It is very very important. Guys, I am not a person who is with a very very good hygiene conscious, who keeps his cabins very clean, who keeps his house very clean. No, but when I come on ship, I make sure that my engine room is neat and clean. Jai Mata Di. This is what I believe in. So see, this is not for video, guys. ये already हो रहा है. ये यहाँ पर nothing should be on. The grinder should be in off condition. सारी चीजें यहाँ पड़ी होनी चाहिए. Fine. In good condition. working fine, no problem is there. Okay. This is called a dabba, which I hate. ये एक आदत है. Don't make it a habit, guys. Wherever you find a leak, never put a dabba over there. See, this is bad. Somebody saw a leak, rather than rectifying it, put a dabba over there. And if you do not change that attitude, slowly you will see a dabba everywhere in India. But that should be taken care of. I have seen some very good second engineer, chief engineer. Those who ensure कि जहाज में कोई लीक ना हो. जय माता दी. Hydrocore में bottle level I will check over here. You can see the water level, that means air is fully charged. The pump is completely on. Refrigerant suction pressure, discharge pressure. Accurate. No leak. High level. Generator control panel. Blower is running. The auto air pump. Okay, fine. This is running. Exhaust temperature. This is not a good pressure gauge. See what the color is. We need to change this. see locally, you can see settling tank, service tank temperatures over here. Okay. This is service tank. This is settling tank. Now we will see another dabba over here. You see? So I found 2 dabbas today. Guys, on board ship, every day will be a new day. Evening when I came, there was no dabba. By the time I have come now, I can see 2 dabbas over here. Tomorrow morning I will come again, I will find no dabba. Because we are going to rectify the leaks. Next day morning again. So it's a ever going continuous process. But ये check करना है leak कहाँ से है. Okay, leak is from the steam line over here. Fine. Emergency exit guide. I need to check the lighting is there. Come. Guys, when we talk about emergency escape, this plays a very important. Lighting needs to be there. कुछ भी problem रहती है in engine room. This is the way from where we can enter and also we can exit. Come on, guys. This is called gagging, guys. This should not be there when you are leaving the engine room in unmanned state. Because this is a regulation. You can't keep such tanks, oil tanks, any tanks in gag condition. मतलब in this condition where the horn is open. Because if in any case this case glass breaks, oil will start leaking and will completely fill the engine room, right? So these should never be gagged, remember that. Come, let's go to the other platform, let's go. अगर if engine room is God, मेन इंजन इज द सोल, ये हमारे भगवान है दूसरे, मत्था टेक देता हूँ. ये सही है तो सब सही है गाइस. तो सी ओवर हियर व्हेन आई कम ओवर हियर, व्हेन स्पेशली व्हेन द मेन इंजन इज रनिंग, आई टेक अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राउंड ओवर हियर, looking at all the exhaust temperatures, any abnormal voice that I can hear, most importantly any leak if I can find. So I will see over here कि कोई leak तो नहीं दिखा जा रोशनी करके जरा. All these places internally I have to see there should not be any leakages over here. Over here. Over here. Any abnormal sound, I'll go up on the top and I'll take a round of this one. I shouldn't be seeing any leaks, oil leaks, exhaust temperatures over there. The parameter. No abnormal sound. Since main engine is not running, there are cold step covered the main engine turbocharger. Otherwise it is running a lot of noise over here. Turbocharger fuel outlet temperature. This is a manometer over here telling us how much the turbocharger differential pressure, turbocharger filter differential. No leaks, nothing, all okay. Empty cooler. Empty pump. The pump which is running उसकी noise, pressure, discharge pressure, water temperature. Now see, one of the tubes is not working. Tomorrow electrical officer needs to change these tubes, right? Lighting is very important, guys. The LT cooler is in use. I will see all the pressures. Okay, fine. Inlet, outlet सब बराबर है. जय माता दी. Gasket tank. Level of water in gasket tank. Okay, fine. An alarm is given. Temperature of gasket tank should always be above 80 degrees. Right now it is 80. Fine. The boiler is running. Not leaking. Over here we can, from the tank tops we can make out the condition. Now see, there is small little bit oil droplets. These need to be cleaned over here. ये काला धब्बा जो देख रहे हो, black spot. Your engine room needs to be in spick and span condition all the time. The fuel pressure is running. Oil is okay. Discharge pressure is okay. Fuel rate is okay. Temperature is okay. Jai Mata Di. When we are at 4, we stop the purifier. Otherwise, I would have checked the heavier purifier parameters. This is the fuel oil module system, circulating pump, supply pumps running. So I will check the viscosity, temperature, the suction pressure, discharge pressure. Try to listen to any abnormal noise from the pump. All are on the marks. Now, come here guys. Now this pressure gauge is gone. This pressure gauge is kaput. You see, it should have been around 6 bars. It is showing 12 bars. And it is stuck. Because this pump is not running right now. So now we have to change this pressure gauge. All other pressures you can see over here. On the mark, on the mark, on the mark. Come. It's the voice that you need to hear. Any abnormal noise. When you are taking around, you should be well aware of all the parameters that you can see. You can mark them. अच्छा इसका प्रेशर इतना होना चाहिए, इसका टेम्परेचर इतना होना चाहिए, इसका इतना होना चाहिए. You should know by heart as an engineer. Very important. Now this is bad. You see? What the hell is this? See guys, ये fuel oil है. It's at around 98 degrees centigrade temperature. We are keeping an oil-soaked cloth over here. This is not done, guys, because this can catch fire anytime. This won't catch fire. This is lagging, but this will catch fire. It's a fire hazard on board ship. This is bad. The lagging should be neat and clean. There should not be oil-soaked. Very, very important. Auto backward filter is rotating continuously, you can see. The oil galleries will tell you, these galleries, if there is no oil, that okay, the engine is running now. Engine room is a good condition. The lube oil cooler. Now this needs to be filled in. Look at it. So the pressure gauges tell us how this is working, guys. Okay. Pressure gauges and temperature gauges of any cooler are very, very important. Remember that. This is a plate type cooler. Controller emergency air bottle pressure, fine. Air bottle pressure, fine. Both air bottle pressure, fine. Control air bottle pressure is fine. I can see from here. No need. Now, since I know this bottle is in use, I will drain this air bottle because I do not want any condensate, any oil or water from the air bottle which has got condensed or carried over should go into the main engine. The compressor, oil level is okay. Oil level is okay. I cannot see any leaks over here. All is fine. Water pressure is fine. Guys, it's a long round. Engine unka अच्छा round लेना is not easy. This is the Deccan compressor. I can see the pressure and temperature over here. No alarm. The inlet pressure, no alarm. Pressure is okay, fine. I'll make it fast now. See that from here we can see that only. That is all is working fine. I come over here. I see the jacket working pump. This pump is running. I check the motor temperature, suction pressure is okay, discharge pressure is okay. I can see no leaks over here, fine. Jai Mata Di. Pressures are okay, yes okay. Temperatures are okay, yes okay. These should be by heart. I mean, fresh water generator is not running, so we do not need to have this thing. Come, let's go down. Again guys, we are on the main engine scavenger sea. कोई कभी यहाँ पर एक ड्रॉपलेट डाउन आता होगा तो यहाँ पर हमने कपड़ा रख दिया है. Not needed. We need to find out where the leak is identified and साला उसको rectify करने का. That's what our intention should be all the time. No dabbas, no racks. That is what you need to learn. Jai Mata Di. We'll come over here. सारे pressure gauges, main engine के pressures, how much is there, what is there. We need to see. Since right now main engine is not running, turbocharger runs, so scavenger pressure is less. Okay. Most important is listening to the noise, abnormal noise. Air cooler, inlet temperature, outlet temperature. Guys, we are very lucky to be on ship as an engineer, because as an engineer you get an alarm for anything and everything. कोई पैरामीटर काम नहीं कर रहा, you will have an alarm. कोई पैरामीटर काम नहीं कर रहा, you will have an alarm. So an alarm will tell you where you are going wrong या क्या lag कर रहे हो. But always remember, as an engineer, it's a duty that before an alarm should come, you should be able to know what's going wrong over there. That's where the true engineering skills lies. And trust me, I'm still trying to find those skills in me. Jai Mata Di. आ जाओ. तो ये air cooler का differential pressure manometers, the temperatures all are over here. Over here we can see ये जो मैनोमीटर में यहाँ पर वाटर लेवल शुड बी 00, it is at 100, this is wrong. ये 00 पे होना चाहिए. The differential over here tells us whether the air cooler air side is choked or not. तो ये बहुत important parameter है. Come. Guys, right now we are on the bottommost platform. One of the most important platform क्योंकि जहाज पे कुछ भी होगा सबसे पहले यहाँ पता चलेगा, फिर रिसीव करें. So what I do is, sorry guys, right now the torch is not working. I would have shown you in a better way, but I check inside, down below. Any droplet of water, any leakage, I should be the first one to know. कहीं कोई leakage तो नहीं है. My buildings are fine. Okay. Buildings transfer तो नहीं करने हैं, no, at lower level. We don't want that alarm should come at night time. I will come over here. I will check the emergency. Okay, fine. The night is here. It is good. Fine, आ जाओ. come over here. Guys, this is called poor housekeeping. हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर काम किया होगा. See, we would have out over here. These racks, this is not good in an arrangement. This is not good. We need to change this. Come, Jai Mata Di. It is oily water separated, no leaks, nothing. Nothing is clean. That is how it should be. Anywhere there is a control panel, guys, there should be a rubber matting over there. Why? Because it's a 440 volt circuit. If rubber matting is not there and God forbid, कहीं आपको करंट लगा, जय माता दी, in a matter of seconds you will be gone. So remember that. These are the crankcase door. I need to hear the voice of the main engine and your normal noise, and also the temperatures. Temperatures are monitored over here. I can check. Thrust back bearing temperatures. Most importantly, I will check down if there is any leakage or not. This flywheel area and bilges area is very, very important for onboard ship to see if there is any oil. When people come for inspection, this is over there. Another thing, guys, make sure. See, when as a junior engineer, you might have to take sounding. When you take sounding, what you do is you put this, you open this wall, and you take sounding. Sometimes I will tell you open the message. See, it is locked, open. It is locked, it is open. It should always be in this locked condition. It should never be gagged like this. Sometimes people keep it like this, holding it with cloth. Don't do that. That is very, very unsafe for the ship. Because if there is a crack in the hull, this double bottom tank is going to get filled with water, and it might pressurize this and open this, and water might come and flood our engine. Not to time level. Fine. Fine. Guys, this is the aft bilge. You can see the condition of the aft bilge from here. I'll come over here. See, I can see no indication. Main engine, no abnormal noise, temperatures are okay. Diesel oil transfer on, heavy oil transfer on, no leakages, nothing. Fine. यही खड़ा रहिए. Okay. Main sea water pump. Number 1 is not running. Number 2 is not running. Number 3 is running. I need to see the water कहीं कुछ पानी लीक तो नहीं कर रहा है. No, there is no water. You can see there is no water, no nothing, no leak. Very important. Suction pressure, discharge pressure. Guys, at the end of the day, there are hundreds of pressure gauges, hundreds of thermometers. In a half an hour round, I can't show you everything. All I want to give you is an attitude that is very, very important for you guys. Remember, as an engineer, avoid keeping dabas at your machinery. Try to keep your machinery as clean as possible. The more you take care of your machinery, the machinery is going to take care of you. Develop that attitude and you will become a very good and a fine engineer. Jai Mata Di.